1996 Corvette Convertible. It does need a hood strut.
There's a little bracket that broke. It's in the back. I'll be to show that.
There is a bracket. Yeah. There's a little.
Just needs to be riveted back in.
Needs a little repair on the hood on the back too. And the car has always been stored inside.